This is Professor Derek Seitz. This video shows how to use Microsoft Excel to calculate a probability for a Poisson distribution. The two inputs that are needed, x, the number of occurrences in an interval, in this case 4, and mu, the mean number of occurrences per interval unit, 3. Then it uses this formula, which is mu to the x times e to the minus mu over x factorial. And alternatively, there's a built-in function in Excel that will give you the result as well. So 2 inputs, and refer to the textbook for the meaning of those, and calculates the probability 2 different ways.